Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two email organizer tools, which is Sanebox and Spark Mail. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Sanebox and Spark Mail both aim to declutter your inbox, but they do it differently. Sandbox work behind the scene with any Gmail provider, filtering distraction into smart folders and sending your daily summaries. It's lightweight, requires no new app. It's also great if you want automation without changing your habit. Sparkmail, on the other hand, is a fully featured email client with collaborative tools, snooze options, smart prioritization, and a sleek interface that feels modern and team focused. The trade-off is clear. Sandbox is simple and universal, but lack a dedicated app experience, while Spark Mail gives you powerful features but ties you to its platform. So if you want a seamless automation across any inbox, Sandbox is the better pick or better choice for you. But if you need all-in-one email client with an advanced organization and team featured, Spark Mail comes out on top. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the vision button and subscribe for more.